Hello and welcome to another Smoky Barn video. In this episode we're going to talk about back flushing and three-way solenoid valves. So I'll start by explaining what a three-way solenoid valve is. What you will find on cheaper espresso machines, they won't have a three-way valve, and what happens is that the pump pushes water through the system at a really high pressure. You turn the brew off, the water stops pumping, but that pressure still remains within the system. And the only way that pressure gets released is when you undo the portafilter and it sprays all over you and all over the worktop. So what a three-way solenoid valve does, and which is on the Gaggia Classic, when you stop the brew, it releases that pressure through the valve and it comes through this pipe into the drip tray. So you don't get all the pressure released onto your shirt and the worktop. It also removes a lot of the moisture from the puck, so that when you're finished, it's much easier to knock the coffee puck out of the portafilter, or the basket rather. So one problem with the three-way valve is that over time it gets clogged up with coffee oils and general coffee muck, so you have to keep it clean, otherwise it will taint the taste of your coffee and eventually it could block the three-way valve itself. So we're going to have a very quick demonstration on how to do back flushing. So take the portafilter, and what you're going to need is a blind basket, which is a basket without any holes in the bottom. Okay, so take out your usual basket. Okay, and what you're going to need next is some detergent, but it has to be detergent that's specifically designed for back flushing. So this is Ernex Cavisa. Unfortunately, I can't find this stuff anywhere in the high street. I had to get this online. So if anyone knows where to get this without going online, please leave it in the comments. So I'm going to put one scoop in here, which I think is about 3 millilitres. So just put that in there. I think basically it's salt. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong, I normally am. But it's kind of like a food-friendly detergent. So it won't kill you, but you don't want to drink it. It won't taste nice. So what we do, we put this into the machine. And what we're going to do is we're going to run some water through it. And because there's no holes in that basket, the pressure is going to build up. And then we're going to release that pressure, which is effectively water and detergent, back through the solenoid valve, and that detergent will sit there and eat away at the oils for a few seconds. But we're going to do this maybe 4 or 5 times. Just turn the thing on, let it labour for a couple of seconds, that's all, and then turn it off again. So there's no coffee oils left in that now. It's running just white, so we're good to go. So what we do now, take it out again, pour away what's left, give it a quick clean. So now what you have to do, put it back into the machine. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing again 4 or 5 times, just to clear out any residue that's left. And that is it, that's that done. So that was back flushing. be sure to have a look at our other videos. We're going to go through descaling and some other maintenance tips as well. Don't forget, if you're looking for freshly roasted coffee, don't forget to check out our website, smokybarn.co.uk. Thanks for watching, bye. Hello and welcome to another Smoky Barn video. In this episode we're going to talk about backflushing and three-way solenoid valves. So I'll start by explaining what a three-way solenoid valve is. What you will find on cheaper espresso machines, they won't have a three-way valve, and what happens is that the pump pushes water through the system at a really